Guys, this is Dr. Achal, currently a medical officer, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Achal's MBBS Journey. So guys, like you, I'm also a NEET PG aspirant, जो कि आप लोगों की तरह इस साल NEET PG 2024 attempt करने वाला है. So today's video will be about the most important topic, that is how to plan for the last 7 days for the NEET PG 2024. So guys, I started my NEET PG preparation from the PrepLadder app, which have multiple features which helps me in my preparation of NEET PG, focusing on the short topics, most important topic, image-based questions and the rapid revisions. So guys, NEET PG has been postponed already multiple times, and I know this is so frustrating for each one of us. I can totally understand and I can totally relate with this situation because I'm also going through the same phase. हर बार हम सोचते हैं कि this is the final day, but every time the date shifted. Let's hope this time nothing like this happens. So guys, first of all, this is a purely informative video. Without wasting time, let's start the video. Guys, the plan for the last 7 days which I am sharing is not only my opinion, but most of the toppers also suggested the same plan. First thing, most importantly, जो हर एक टॉपर सजेस्ट करता है, that is revision is the key.
RR will always be the most important because
as every topper say, revision is the key. Everything depends on the last revision. So starting with the first point, that is focusing more on the major subjects which have high weightage, from where maximum questions will be asked, by doing rapid revision videos or the last resort revision videos, which are actually very crisp and short and much needed at the last moment of the exam, as I am doing from my PrepLadder app, as I've always used this app. And rapid revision videos, the videos provides photographic memory which will help in the future while solving the questions. And at the same time, teachers in the video will motivate you, as this is not the right time to lose confidence. Second point, dividing subjects with remaining day with proper revision schedule for the last 7 days, which I'll be sharing in the end of the video. So guys, please do watch the video till end and पूरे schedule को देखना. Hope this will help you. Third thing, subject with less weightage, focus only on the most important and repetitive asked question, as this is not the time to waste your time. If you want to invest your time, invest on the major subjects, invest on the previous year questions, solve as much as possible previous year questions. Okay, next, the most important thing right now is no GTs, no major test, because this is not the time to judge yourself. You have done enough, you have done lot of hard work, but this is not the time to judge yourself ki how I am performing. No GTs for the last week. Next important thing, revise the image based questions, because the image based questions are also asked in a huge number. So for the one last time, revise the image based questions. And last, the most important point is, with each and every day when you are revising the subjects, solve previous year questions, solve more and more questions. Here I am solving the questions from the PrepLadder app, जहाँ आपको हर एक ऑप्शन एक्सप्लेन किया जाता है अच्छे से. एंड द बेस्ट थिंग कि जो इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है आप उसे एक साथ पूरा रिवाइज कर सकते हैं एट द सेम टाइम. So guys, this is the plan for my last 7 days preparation. My basic motto is to cover the most important subjects in the last 3 days, as I want to have a fresh memory of the major subjects. In the first 2 days, my focus will be on the first year subjects like anatomy, physio, biochemistry, only focusing on the major topics which are repetitively asked, and the cycles most important in the biochemistry, along with the second year subject like forensic, which is a volatile one, and the final year short subjects like derma, anesthesia and psyche. If you can cover more, you can also add some PYQs, as I have decided to at least give 1 hour from my PrepLadder app. In the next 2 days, covering the second most important subjects like pharma, micro and pathology, along with third year subject like ENT, opthel, and a major subject PSM, focusing on the programs and the formulas and the repeated question asked in PSM. And the last 3 days focusing on the major subjects along with some image based questions. And the last day, the free day, is up to you guys. You wanna rest, you can rest. If you want to revise some more important topics, you can revise them. Guys, it's totally up to you. So Guys, this is the plan which I am going to use in the last 7 days with the help of my PrepLadder app, in which I am going to use the last resort videos for these last 7 days for these subjects. Hope you guys find this video helpful, and all the very best for the NEET PG 2024. Let's meet you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Do share with your other friends. Let's